TS4, right now we have a center seat belt here for the Mitsubishi 300. This one is the MQ, the Series 5 model here. I believe that could still work on the other models as well, so I don't think you need to worry about that anyway. So we just did the video from the left side here, which comes like this: center and left seat belt, and right side on this side here. My own get a little scratch up and wash out and stuff, so I decided to change that one up. So, and the center seat belt itself in the back was a little kind of sturdy and stuff there. Let's see if we could get it in here. Sometimes according to the angle they are, it does give trouble to thing. I mean, not lock in properly inside there in case of an accident. But there how it looks. Bolt point here for the center. Bolt. Only this side I didn't see come with any bolts on it. I'll show you the number. We also have this number, I believe, for the. I always double check the numbers to make sure. Just in case you need to check the numbers, you could always check it out. Okay, so my own started kind of straight up, so I decided to get new ones but original stuff. So try to put back all original things back into the vehicle as much as I could. I could have just changed the buckle itself, but I didn't. I'm still trying to get this one out here. It finally come out. The lock does be inside there. So when you get in an accident, according to when you lean forward, it will lock instead of lean it slide, and it will hold it together. So you said I kind of angle it for it to release the thing we're holding up. When it bolt up, the bearing, whatever that's hold it, does hold properly. Let's see, center. So this is the center one here. It actually marks center compared to the rest. This one could work on either side, right or left. But when you buy them like this, with the center and the left side, it comes together. And you also have the clip here. So I believe it doesn't go on the thing side. It doesn't go on the right or the left. It only goes on the center. So the center is totally different from the others. The right and left could work on any side, but the center could only lock in the center. So you know for sure if your center seat belt get damaged or you need to change it, only buy the center, don't buy the right or left side, because it wouldn't work. It would only work on the right and left back passenger. Could work on any side. Yeah, so that's it. Nothing much there. I'll show you all the numbers and everything. Right, today left hand center box here. This one is the rear seat belt here. So let's put all the numbers together there, which is this one, and the right side is this one here, which could work on right or left. The belt as well is this one here. As I say, still put them in the system on the internet and just double check to make sure all the numbers are registered, and when you put any number, you go pop the product itself. Right, so this video done go on a little too long already. Let's put some seat belts. So that's it. TS4 out.